Hi, I'm Craig McFarlane with Linwood Homes, and here we are at the Muskoka Early Bird Cottage on Bruce Lake in the township of Muskoka Lakes. This early bird cottage is amazing. So well decorated, so well lit by expansive windows in the great room here. It's just, I can't get over how it turned out. Someone's going to be very, very lucky. When entering this cottage, you come into a great room. Living, dining, kitchen, all open concept, all vaulted, well lit, expansive glass everywhere. So everything's so bright and airy. It turned out just beautifully. You'll see the custom cabinetry, solid surface countertops. The decor turned out so lovely. All the colors are blending. And as you look up, you'll see vaulted ceilings with dormers. Outside the dining room, we're into a beautiful screen room. Then we're out onto the sun deck. On the main floor, we do have a principal bedroom with a walk-in closet and an ensuite bathroom. Very well lit, lots of glass in that room. Ascending upstairs, we've got another large bedroom, all vaulted ceiling, walk-in closet, and another bathroom. When we go to the lower level, 2 bedrooms, another bathroom, and an open concept family room. One for games, another for living. This early bird cottage is on such a gorgeous lot, 100 lake frontage, well treed, easy access from the main road, gentle slope ascending to the lake. It's just perfect. This Muskoka early bird cottage, it has it all, but you can't win it unless you buy a ticket. Buy your ticket now, princessmargaretlotto.com.